Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Alright, let's get started here. I've got several ramekins here, and we start with taking some butter, right? And just go around on the inside. Get it all nice and coated, bottom, edges, like so. And we're going to get all three of those done. Okay, now I've got my ramekins all buttered. I will get an egg, crack it, and get it in there without any shell. That would be the ideal. And we'll fill those up. Be right back. Alright, we have our gorgeous eggs ready to go and our ramekins buttered and then the egg inside. I've got a mix here of fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, and whole lavender. So I've got that mix here of herbs, so we're going to just go in like so. Nothing better than fresh herbs. Now that they all look gorgeous and ready to go, herbaceous, then we'll go in with some kosher salt. Like so, just a little, and cracked black pepper. Like so. Then we put them in I've got a low side skillet here. Enough to where I can just easily get these out of here, but it's in a water bath. I've got my oven preheated. So we'll go ahead and get these in the oven and let them bake. And we'll get right back to it and get ready to finish up and get ready to eat. Okay, meanwhile, we're gonna start with our basil here for our pesto. So I've just got some local fresh basil here. Gonna go in our food processor like so. Try to get it all in there. Some pine nuts. Some salt and pepper. Fresh ground kosher salt. Go in with some olive oil, like so. Last but not least, a little bit of lemon juice. And then we'll get this blended up here. So we put our lid on and we start pulsing here. And I'll do this until I get a nice consistency, and we'll taste test it as well, see if we need any more seasoning. Alright, last but not least, a clove of garlic. Don't want to forget that. I almost did, it was off to the side. But, one final pulse here. Alright, after a final pulse, there you go. Got a gorgeous pesto here. And I tasted it. And it's really good. So we'll set this, reserve this aside here for our finishing touches with our dish. Alright, I just pulled our eggs out of the oven, so I'm going to let them rest a little bit before I go to remove them from the ramekins. But there you go, gorgeous looking. So time to let them rest, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got our pesto here, our gorgeous looking pesto. So I'm just going to take a spoon, put like a dollop on there, and kind of like put some across like that, maybe some here. Just spread some around, spread some of the love around there. Some nice green on the plate. Then these have cooled off some, so they're not as hot anymore, but I had to use a towel to get them out before. It's still kind of warm. But I go around the edge like so. Once you go around the edge, then you can just go right underneath and get them out there. Like I said, it's still a little warm, but not too bad. I missed some. So you eat it. Good. One more. One more to scoop out of there. Like so. And you've got a nice gorgeous plate. 3 baked eggs with herbs and fresh pesto. Gorgeous, I tell you. Packed with flavor. You're gonna love it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.